Hi there from Asana. Today I'll show you how Phoenix Corp's IT team uses Asana's AI Studio to streamline their bug intake process. Let's meet the team. Alan, who needs to submit an IT bug request. Yvette from the IT team, who reviews and approves incoming bug requests. And James, the engineer who triages IT bugs to the appropriate team. Let's take a quick look at the Phoenix Corp's bug intake workflow. At the top, we've included 4 workflow phases that are common across industries. This bug intake workflow includes steps in all 4 phases. Without AI Studio, each step in this workflow required a human checkpoint, making it hard to stay on top of incoming requests. With AI Studio, we can see that AI handles a lot of that busy work, from duplicate checks to proposing solutions. But there are still crucial human checkpoints for technical reviews and approvals. Here we are in the bug intake project. Workflow stages are outlined by sections. There are custom fields for priority, business impact, department, and technology that's having the issue, and a form the team uses for bug reporting. There are other options for intake via integrations like Slack or email. To submit his request, Alan fills out the form with details, including the issue he's experiencing, when it started, and the department he's a part of. After submitting, the request appears as a task in the project. Alan's form responses are included in the task for visibility and follow-up questions. The request is automatically renamed and quickly moves to a quality check to ensure it's complete. It looks like Alan's request is missing some key information, so it's moved to more info needed. And now an AI agent adds a comment asking clarifying questions about details missing in Alan's request. Alan receives a notification about this comment in his Asana inbox because he's a collaborator on the task. So far, Asana AI has handled 3 workflow steps that used to be huge pain points for the IT team: renaming requests, checking for completeness, and asking for clarification. These steps used to take significant time and were done inconsistently. Asana AI just did them accurately in seconds. Alan quickly checks why the request failed the quality check. Which aligns with the comment added to the task. He responds in the comments with the needed information. Alan posting the comment sends the request back to the quality check to see if his comment clarified the missing information. After passing the quality check, the request moves to duplicate detection, where AI scans existing bug reports for similar issues. Asana AI adds a comment detailing how similar requests have been solved. Then it moves the request to prioritization, where AI fills in the custom fields in the project. This is a critical human-in-the-loop checkpoint, so Yvette is assigned a subtask to review prioritization. Once Yvette confirms the priority, AI creates a user story that outlines the bug's impact and users' requirements. Rather than having to create this user story from scratch, Yvette is looped in for her last approval. She approves, and the task is converted to an approval assigned to James. At the same time, an AI agent generates a subtask with specific recommendations for James, who is in charge of triaging the request to the appropriate team. James reviews AI's technical advice, then approves the request. James approving the task sends it to approved, and Asana AI adds a comment to Alan, letting him know his request has been triaged and suggesting a next step. What used to be a time-consuming process with multiple handoffs is now an efficient workflow that effectively combines AI automation with crucial technical oversight. Let's take a quick peek into AI Studio to see how the IT team set up their automations. By clicking on the Customize menu and Rules with AI Studio, we can see all of the rules in this project. Smart rules are shown with the AI symbol. Let's click into the duplicate check rule. The AI Studio Rule Builder includes triggers, conditions, and actions, just like the standard rule builder. But now, Asana AI can be applied in the conditions or the actions of a rule. For the duplicate check rule, AI is applied in the condition to compare the bug against existing issues. Then, the IT team gave instructions on how to assess for duplicates. Notice it's clear and concise, telling AI its job and giving it context on where to look for similar requests. All of the smart rules in this workflow were built in a similar way, but Asana AI can be applied in different ways. In the action recommendation rule, AI is applied in the action to generate a subtask with next steps James should take. Here, the prompt gives clear instructions on AI's job, what its output should be, and even includes guidance on including code snippets. Today we walked through an IT bug intake process, but the types of automation we saw could streamline any IT workflow. Sound interesting? Talk to our team to identify ways Asana's AI Studio can transform your IT process, or visit asana.com/AI.